Hey, mate. Do you have an iPhone 10 or planning to buy one? The iPhone 10 was a huge gamble from Apple. Losing the home button and altering the design was a dangerous move, but one that was sorely needed after years of similarity and the premium design. Some things are a bit annoying about the iPhone 10 though. And it doesn't include the notch. So pricey. We need to at least mention the price and release date. It's been out now, having launched worldwide on November 3, 2017. The price is harder to swallow. At launch, the iPhone 10 cost $999 for the basic, 64GB model. If you wanted the larger 256GB model, it cost $1,149. Slow on cashless pay. Another issue with Face ID as against Touch ID is when using Apple Pay. Where previously you'd approach the reader with your thumb over the home button and it would instantly verify the payment. With the iPhone 10 you'll need to double tap the side button to activate Face ID, have it register your face, and then it'll be ready to pay. Smudge magnet. One negative thing to say about the design, it's a smudge sucker. The outer band gets covered in fingerprints in no time at all, and the glass front and back will happily accept any oil your fingers want to deposit on them. The iPhone 8 is a great alternative. If you're looking to get a new iPhone, and want to spend a lot but not quite as much as on the iPhone 10, then the iPhone 8 Plus is the one to go for. If the iPhone 8 Plus size turns you off, then the iPhone 8 is the one to choose if you want something more manageable in the palm. Both phones have the old-fashioned home button you're used to. Do you agree with this list? Let us know in the comments. For your iPhone 10 screen replacement needs, go to Sydney CBD Repair. Cheers.